welcome back. So today, as promised, we are teaching you how to create your first NFT using UNIFTY.io. So you're starting with Rinkaby testnet, you're connected to your MetaMask wallet, and click on the collection manager on the left toolbar. So for those of you who already watched our previous tutorial, we taught you how to create your first collection. So this is mine. So click on the pen on the left side and you will see a number of options. The first one is to add new NFTs. So we're going to select that, and that brings up a new form to set up your NFT ID and NFT tokens. So we have a lot of options here. Not everything is required, but let's talk about them a bit. So supply, this is the number of NFT tokens that you want to create right now. It could be 0. I'm just going to put 10. Max supply does exactly as it sounds. It's the upper limit of NFT tokens that can be created for this NFT once and cannot be changed later. I'm going to put 50. As for the name, I'm just going to put test, but you should be more creative than that. Description, so NFT buyers often tells us that the description is as important as the content, so put some thought into this, but also try to be concise. I'm just going to put this as a test NFT. As for the image, actually content, you can choose image, video, audio, interactive file. You can choose one or more types here, and this data will be saved on IPFS and is accessible to anyone, so consider copyrights and don't infringe on the rights of others. So I'm just going to put UNIFTY's logo here. As for the external URL, it's a link to your website or anything that you want to put here. That will be above the name, actually under the NFT. Traits, so this is often the most misunderstood point on here. Trait is a piece of information linked to the NFT ID, and it has 3 parts. Key, which represents the attribute, value, which represents the data, and the type, like text, number, boost number, percentage, or date. So you can add multiple traits by clicking add. So as an example of the key and value, you would have color for a key, and the value we would say pink. So we can add that, and you can see your traits right here. Also, if you're not happy with that, you can hit delete. I'm just gonna let it stay like that. Once you're happy, you hit the create collection button and you verify the MetaMask dialog and confirm that to the blockchain. So once that confirms, congratulations, you have created your first UNIFTY NFT. While you're waiting, if the form is still in front of you, you can close that and you'll find yourself back at the collection manager. So I'm just gonna close this form. And once your NFT is created, like this, you're gonna see this message of success. You can click on the pen again, but this time you will click this option, Manage NFTs, and hopefully you will see your NFT right here. So if you focus on the NFT, you can see that this is the first NFT. Well, in my case, it's second. But you can see it right here, ID, and you can see your supply and your maximum supply and how much you owe. And if you put some traits, you see them right here. So you have a number of options for your NFTs. You can transfer them, mint, burn, edit, or you can add royalties. So if you want to transfer, this is pretty simple. When you click it, it allows you to send one or more NFT tokens to an address on the same network. If you want to mint, if you have not minted to the max supply, you can create new NFT tokens within that NFT ID. So if your supply is 10 and the maximum supply is 50. You can mint up to 50. Burn, well, this removes NFTs from circulation permanently, so basically you delete them. Edit. All details about NFT cards can be edited by the collection owner. Any change is visible on the blockchain, however, so best not to use this, correct small mistakes and to get things right the first time. I'm not going to change anything right now. And the last part, royalties. So royalties allow the collection owner to receive a portion of each sale on the UNIFTY marketplace, up to 50%. It is optional and may not be taken into account for OTC transactions or in other marketplaces. So once you set up your NFT and you're happy with all the details, that's it. You created your NFT and it's part of your collection. So this is it for today. In our next tutorial, we're going to teach you how to sell your NFT or transfer, and we're going to talk a bit more about your wallet and NFT market. So that's it. Stay tuned. Subscribe and follow us on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and I'll see you guys soon.